Hi people, good morning and welcome to Talks and Moms. I'm Kavita and today I'm talking about iron deficiency in babies and kids. Iron is an essential nutrient that is crucial for every kid's growth and development, and we need iron to make hemoglobin as well. So in this video we'll talk about how much iron a baby needs and what are the effects of iron deficiency and many more things about this topic. So let's dive right in and understand it. Let's start by understanding what is iron. It is an essential nutrient that is crucial for every kid's growth and development. We need iron to make hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from the lungs to the body. If your child has an insufficient dietary intake of iron, it can lead to anemia or iron deficiency. How much iron does a baby or a child need? For the first 6 months of age, breastfed babies get the required amount of iron from mother's milk. If the baby is formula fed, then if the baby is taking iron fortified formula, it's absolutely okay. And once the baby completes 6 months, in their solid food, you will have to ensure that it is iron rich. You are giving iron rich solid food to them. And a chart is given on our blog on 0 to 6 months baby need, how much of iron, etc. So have a look at our blog for detail. What can iron deficiency cause in babies or kids? What are the symptoms of iron deficiency in children? Let's understand that now. It can be pale skin, can be slow weight gain, it can be loss of appetite, fussy or cranky baby, increased sweating in your kid, failure to grow at expected rate if your baby is not reaching those milestones, and strange food cravings like eating dirt or mud. Who are at the higher risk of iron deficiency? Infants who are born prematurely with low birth weight, babies born to mothers who are deficient of iron, and poorly controlled diabetes. So it's always suggested for pregnant women to take care of their health. Infant above 6 months who are breastfed without any iron fortified solid food. So after 6 months, iron rich foods are very important. Babies who drink formula and are not given iron fortified formula, children who have been exposed to lead, especially through water, kids who drink more cow's milk than recommended, please note this, adolescent girls who have loss of blood during their menstrual periods, picky eaters who do not eat healthy, regular and well balanced meals, vegetarians who do not eat iron rich foods, children with special health needs and medical conditions, children going through growth spurts, young athletes and runners who exercise often are vulnerable to iron deficiency. How is iron deficiency examined in babies or children? If your baby shows any of the above symptoms as said till now, then talk to the doctor and examine them using the following ways. They would do that for you. Hemoglobin level in blood. This is the first test to diagnose the iron deficiency, and complete blood count is checked, and peripheral smear test for blood. It is a test to examine the abnormalities in red blood cells, white cells and platelets. Can I give my baby iron supplements? Does my baby or toddler need iron supplements? Your baby doesn't require iron supplement if she is healthy and active. It is shown that too high levels of iron can be potentially harmful to the baby. So anything more is not required. If your baby is fed iron rich foods and iron supplements also, both hand in hand, then iron supplements will get absorbed first, and instead of the natural sources of iron which you gave through the food. Iron supplements may interfere with the zinc absorption and can even lead to gastric issues like nausea, vomiting and constipation. So iron rich foods are the best way. Your baby or toddler does not need iron supplementation. In case, as said, we have been telling this, when the baby is breastfed, the baby does not need iron supplementation. If in case your baby is formula fed and you have given iron fortified formula, that's the best. If your baby is fed iron rich foods after starting solids, then it's great. If your baby does not show any signs and symptoms of iron deficiency or anemia, please don't go and push your doctor to give iron supplementation. Iron and iron deficiency are the most talked subjects when people have younger kids, and hope this video gave you some information required. In the next video, which is connected to this, we are talking about iron-rich superfoods and how you can ensure that you include in your baby's diet. We'll also talk about iron supplements and when to give which are safer ones, etc. So please don't forget to watch our next video, and if you like this, like, share and comment on this video, and only if you subscribe you will get updates of our future videos. So please click on that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.